Hello and welcome to sunny Thailand. Today I've gone about an hour's drive out of the centre of Chiang Mai to a huge waterfall called the Bua Thong Waterfall. And what's special about this waterfall is the fact it's sticky. It's also known as a sticky waterfall. It's possible to walk up the waterfall like this because there's mineral deposits on the rocks which make them very grippy, and so then you can just walk up them like that. There are some rocks still that are green, and you should avoid green because green is very slippery algae. Let's do it.